Drop me off a child support so I can file for my wife and my son. I'ma stop it. I stop it only to make this girl come here to be a pest in my life. Only because of the heart what I have. And anyhow me go home, girl. Anyhow you ever make immigration come in yard, girl, and send me go to Jamaica, you're a dead girl in America. And I say this on my children life. Your family will bury you. And I promise you this. And you can screen record this. Because I promise you that you will be 6 foot under. And I promise you that my ex-husband will suffer the consequences because he cannot keep you on a leash. You hear me and tell you, Carla? You hear me and tell you, anyhow immigration come in yard and send me home and separate me from my children them. You going to go 6 foot under. And this is not a warning, it's a threat. I tell you something, girl. You're a wicked blood clot gal. Okay.
Nobody now gonna believe this evening. Me sit down in the sun and I try for prayer. And this man come call me and come tell me about how he love me. How he want married to me. Me don't know what make this man wicked so. All along me there so nobody never tell me say they love me. And this man pick up himself. And come and come tell me say how he love me and he want married to me. Me can't manage that so me I know. Me don't want nobody lie to me, man. Every top their lie. All along me there, nobody never tell me yet say they love me. How time blue this man, me don't know what to do with myself. The man come tell me about how he see me and how he love me and how he want married to me. Me don't want married to nobody. Because married now look like a somebody will fit me or will agree with me. Me don't know what I can do it. Right now, me don't know. Me want somebody to tell me if this real. This can't real at all. What I can wicked so to me. Me want to know what make this man wicked so what I can never pass him. This man pick up himself.